This is how to do Payoneer to Payoneer money transfer. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Payoneer account. You can see this is my Payoneer account. I use Payoneer very well. Payoneer is a great platform to transfer money from one Payoneer to another Payoneer account. You come to pay. You can see pay. You can see pay to a recipient's Payoneer account. If you click this, look at it. Pay to a recipient's Payoneer account. Make a payment to another Payoneer customer's balance. So this is the menu that will help you fund another Payoneer money transfer. So you will click this. You select this. For the first time you'll be doing it, it's going to show you this page. You can see pay to a recipient Payoneer account. Before Payoneer platform authorize you for this kind of transaction, I believe it's one of they will collect your document. You have to provide appropriate documents. We will verify your details, then you can get started. So look at it. As soon as you initiate this kind of transaction, you can see it usually takes up to 3 business days for them to verify your details and authorize you for this transaction. As soon as you are authorized for this transaction, it's straightforward and you'll be able to effect the transfer instantly. So all you need to do is to wait for your authorization and verification. As soon as you are verified, you'll be able to do this kind of transfer at any time of your choosing. This verification is one-off. So what do you think? All you need to do is to use the links below the description of this video. Also, do well to check out my YouTube one-on-one training. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.